Alright, so I just got that cleared today. Today I just freaking cleared all that. And now I got some freaking gym member out here setting up a freaking tent. Believe that? He thought I just cleared this lane for him. Come out here and set up a tent. It'll freeze his ass about 20 fucking degrees out here. Freeze his ass off in his tent. I was thinking about cutting that tree down. What do you think? I'll cut this one down next time too. He's gonna use them. You have to find somewhere else. So anyway, his channel's Live Free, Live Wild. And he's coming out to camp out at the gym. Right? Why not?
That's right.
What do you got, a remote on that? Oh, no, you gotta.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just get a remote. Ring.
Eventually.
Alright, anyway, we're gonna. And then he puts freaking a stove in this thing. A wood stove. Probably burn all my good wood. Burn all this good wood I just cut up. I think that's a log. What do you think? I think that's gonna be a log. And look at that one, looks dead over there too. That's a white oak. Alright, so we're gonna set up a tent. We are gonna set up a tent. I'm gonna be a lot of help here in just a minute. Alright.
Oh yeah. That's frozen.
Told you it was frozen. It's gonna be a cold sumbitch out here tonight.
I should be alright. I got all the gear that should make me warm.
Yeah, well. So do I. It's called my house. Man, I'm glad I'm not sleeping in that. Sons of bitches. Good. Hey, you got a mink on your roof too.
I know, and some wieners.
Mink and some wieners. Huh. Mink wiener tonight. Whoa. Fucking camera.
I found me a thrift store. One of them hand crank.
Rotisserie cookers? Oh.
Meat shredder type deal.
Oh.
Meat grinder.
Yep.
That's the word I was looking for. Yeah.
Oops.
I like that one. I could take that off and put it on a different tent. Because I've got like 5 or 6 tents that I could, just regular summer tents. All I gotta do is cut a hole and then put Velcro, like glue it on.
Cool.
And then I'd have hot tent, several different hot tents.
Oh, and that rolls up to there?
Yep. And it acts like a gutter so your rain doesn't roll down in there.
Oh, okay.
so now the rain will.
Hopefully.
Well, it ain't great. It works a little bit.
Yeah, you're lucky you're bending up. You just spoke too soon. You're bending them steaks.
Well, they're big Walmart ones, that's why.
Now what, stove?
No, I got a couple more steaks. And then,
Oh, you gotta stay at the bottom? Huh. Yep. We won't be camping at Davidson's All Natural Gym, I know that. We'll be in the house. We'll be in the house.
well, once this is set up, I'll be nice and warm. It gets about 80 degrees.
I know, but that's what it gets in my living room too. And you got a cot, right?
Yep. Yeah, I was doing the ground thing, but once my buddy was like, "Hey, I got this cot that I don't use," I was like, "Okay." I tried it. Way better because the ground is. You're talking this much makes a huge difference.
Right.
Because of the heat. Because the heat goes up.
That motherfucker bending already.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do something about steaks. These steaks are junk.
You have to stake this too, or can you stake this too? Or what? What's this for?
Yeah. Yeah, it all depends. Like, you can do...
Oh, if you wanted to stake it like that,
Yeah.
you can get out further, huh?
Yeah. Yep. But I don't really usually worry about it because it lays... Well, on this side I do because of the stove. Keeps it away from the stove better.
Right.
But on the other side I don't worry about it because that's the side I put my cot on.
So on this side, you put them up here and down there.
Yeah. And across the bottoms.
Right. Yeah, you got to do the bottom. Hold that some bitch closed.
And the snow, you can just lay it down and put snow on top of it and you'll be fine. Yeah, I'm gonna make my own tie outs and everything out of bank line because like these are supposed to be able so you can tighten it, but they're junk. It's the ones that came with the tent.
Well, you should be nice and peaceful out here.
Yeah.
There shouldn't be anybody, no willow slewers out here.
Hell, the last 3 or 4 times I went out the slough, there wasn't nobody.
Nobody out there either.
There's right now when I drove through, there was probably about 100 people out there
Ice fishing? Yeah. They were catching some nice bass out there ice fishing. I seen some pictures of some nice bass.